Hey everyone, in this quick video I will show you how to build OKR trackers in Notion using templates in 2025. Start with an OKR tracker template from Notion template gallery or community. These are pre-built to organize objectives, define key results, and measure progress clearly. Typically, they come with fields for objective measurable results, progress bars, and timelines. Customize the template by adding company-wide goals into team or individual objectives. You can assign ownership for each key result and use tags for categories like growth, customer success, or product. This creates alignment across all levels of your business. Switch to a different views depending on what you need, a table view for details or a board view for progress stages. Many templates also include percentage trackers so you can instantly see how close you are hitting your targets. For maximum impact, link the OKR tracker with related databases like tasks, projects, dashboards, or employee performance trackers. That way, updates on day-to-day will automatically feed into your bigger goals. And that's how you can keep your team aligned and result measurables with OKR tracker templates in Notion in 2025. Thanks everyone for watching.